that African soap, the organic soap. You see it? Got sunflower seed oil, coconut, potassium hydrate, essential oils, of peppermint extract. Let me see what this is really. It smells pretty good though. It smells like you can eat it. Damn, this is good fuck. Okay, I appreciate you, mics. At least we ain't gonna be stinking over this motherfucker. And some more soap. What we got right here? One of my favorite shirts, man. Got the OG on it. Like, that feel too. Okay, I like that. Okay, I see that stuff. I like the quality of this too, though. It's like thick. It don't feel like a little. It don't feel like a cheap T-shirt. And then right here with this leather patch on it right here, that done took it to a whole nother level right there, though. I like that. Busting right there. Yup, that gonna work. Put that right there. See what this is. Okay, this the actual shit. This the plain blank tee. I like the blanks. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. There's a little blank, just a little blank, a little some black put on, you know what I'm saying? A little blank, motherfucker. Oh shit, they got my boy. That block boy. That boy block boy. Yeah. New block boy. The little orange patch, that's all I do. I like that orange patch on though. Them patches take that shit to another level. And I like the, once again, the quality on the shirt. Yeah, we're gonna be fucking them up for the summer. It's gonna be over with. That's another one. Big one. This is another blank. Oh yeah, that's another blank. Little blank swag fish top. Okay. We got some more hoodies. These hoodies come with the drip on them. Got the leather on it. That's sauce. Right there with the blue bag right there. There you go, right there. The blue bag. Got this one for the red bag. Oh, this one hard, ain't got no hood. This one, that's some clean. Like that. Yeah. Shit, no hood on them. With them socks. Bag and the hoodie is cold out there too. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, well, no. Okay, here go the shorts. Here go the short big to get up. I need large right here. Oh, that plain, just plain shorts. Go with the tops. T-shirt. Plain red stretch tee. I like these shirts though. Cause they got the quality. They thick. They thick. Yeah, these look like just shorts. shirts. Go with the goddamn wop. Different colors, orange. A little color for summer. Oh wow, I got this. This right here. I think it's a jean jacket. This actually is the shirt. Blue jean shirt. Embroidery. Nice. They're gonna go hard too.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like an issue with the router and Echo device, so try restarting them. Unplug both of them, then plug the router back in. Wait 30 seconds. Once the router is back on and connected to the internet, plug in the Echo device.
What are you talking about? Not that boy Smarts. Not Smarts on the shirt. You gotta get Smarts. You gotta get it. That boy Smarts on the shirt. And block crew. You're a little wrinkly. You get the picture. Oh yeah, that dope right there. That's what I'm talking about. Black X-Men, baby. We see it. See what's going on. And last but not least, who we got? Got my boy Ace. Ace. My Ace. That's coming. Man, the Block Crew movie coming soon, man. Y'all be on the lookout for that, man. You already know. Boy, baby, D checking in, man. Just did a big swag official clothes unboxing reveal. Appreciate it. S.O.C.E. You know what I'm talking about? To the whole production team, to the whole clothing team, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that, man. Y'all stay keeping it gangster, man. I see y'all this summer. Movie coming soon, baby. Let's go.